Hello friends, hope you all are doing well. So today I'm back with one more app in which you can learn about most of the design tools like text input, radio button, checkbox, text area, drop down all together. So we are going to create this app here. I'll show you how it will work. You have to enter, this is student information app. So you have to enter student name. Suppose I'm writing Harry. Father's name is John. Gender is male. School meal veg. About I am good in football. Choose your board. Suppose CBSE. If you click here, click me, you can see all the information here. But if you want to clear this page and you want to go on home page and want to enter all the detail again, then you have to click on this button. So you will come on home page and enter your details again. So let me show you how this app will create. Come on code.org, enter your username and password, then click on create and then go in app lab. So first we are going to design our app. For this I need screen 1. On screen 1 I need, come on design. First I need to choose theme, which I'm going to select. I'm selecting this theme. Okay. Now I want a label. Need to write student information because I am making this app for students. Student information. Make the font size bigger. Now I need one more label which is for student name. So enter here. Student name. Next label is father's name. So this is father's name. Next one is gender. So I'm writing here. Then the next one is meal, meal, school meal. Then about, I'm putting it here, about you. Okay. Now I need one text input which I am putting here so that user can enter their name. So I am setting the ID is text underscore name. Next is text underscore father. Okay. Next is gender. For gender I need 2 radio buttons. So I am putting one radio button here and one radio button here. I am dragging this down and I need 2 label. One is for male, another is for female. Okay. And for school meal I am using checkbox. Where is checkbox? Here. So I am taking 2 checkboxes. One is for male, one is for veg, another is for non-veg. So I'm writing here veg and this is non-veg. You can design this app according to your choice, as I'm trying my best to clear most of the design tool here. For about, I need a text area so that user can enter about his or her. And now I want a drop down list in which I'm writing first option is choose, which is by default option given by us. Then option 1 is CBSE and option 2 is ICSC. Okay, and I need a label here on which I'm going to write choose your board. Okay, and now I need a button here on which I'm going to write enter, and I want to give the text area name as well, text underscore area 1. All the properties are set here. Now I need screen 2. On screen 2, I need a label on which I am showing student information and make the font size little bit big. So friends, I need only labels here so that all the information which user has written in all the text inputs will show in these labels. Okay, so student name, so corresponding that I need a label. The name of that label we will write LBL underscore name. Okay, then I need a label for father's name, and for that I need a label in which the corresponding data will come. So I am putting the name LBL underscore father. Okay. The third one is for gender. So I am putting it here and I am writing here gender and need a label here. The name is LBL underscore gender. G will be. Okay. Now the next one is for school meal. Again one more label here and LBL meal. Make the size bigger so that we can easily see all the information written in this label. Otherwise information will be hide. Now next one is for school board. One more label for it and I'm giving the name LBL underscore school or LBL underscore board. And need one more label in which I am writing about you. And I need text area here and giving the name of this text area 2, that is fine. And I will took a button here in which I am writing reset. Okay, so this is button 2 or that was button 1. So this is our coding designing part is done. Now we'll come on coding part. So how we'll code for this app, because we use too many design tools here. So first we'll start on event. When this event will perform, when button 1 click, which is enter. So button 1 on button event on event button 1 click, what is going to happen? When user will click on button 1, then first of all set screen 2, because all the information will come on screen 2, and then set text, because first user will enter name in student name. So set text on which label name, which we named LBL name. Set text LBL name. What will come in LBL name? Which user enter in this input, this text input, text underscore name. So we need to use variable which is a math function which is equal or no addition. I'll tell you why we use this, because so that I'll enter first space and then get text to here, get text input 1, text name. That means the whatever user give information in this text input, it will show in label underscore name. Then again set text LBL father, label father. What we are going to save in label underscore father, which we will enter in text input father. Okay, first I am entering space so that it looks better. Then come on again UI control and then get text here. Get text underscore father. So these two are done. Now we'll come on radio buttons coding. How radio button will work? Radio button means you can choose only one option at a time. So you need to use control here. First we'll check the property of this radio button, the name of these radio buttons, come and design part and check the name of these radio buttons. Radio button under radio underscore button 1 will do it R1, so that at the time of coding it's easy for us, and R2. Okay, so come in coding part. Now for radio buttons coding we need to use if else. If else here. Okay, so if checked, if where is get checked, if get checked R1, that means if user select R1, then what going to happen? Set text in LBL gender, they should be female or male. M-A-L-E, male. Then else if. Why I had choose else if here? Because either this condition will be fulfilled or this condition will be fulfilled. Both condition cannot be fulfilled at the same time. So if else get checked R2, where is get checked R2? R2 get checked. If get checked R2, set text LBL gender, LBL underscore gender, that is female. So our this part is done. So our this radio button coding is done. Now we'll come on checkbox coding. So for checkbox coding, we'll come in design part and reset the idea of checkbox so that coding is easy for us. CB2. CB2. Let me check again. Checkbox first. Okay. Now come in design. Now how it will work? We need to use if block here. We need to use if block here. So come on control and use if block. Why I am taking if block here? Because in checkbox you can choose either one option or first option or second option or both option at a time. Then what will going to happen? If get checked, if user checked checkbox 1, that means CB1, then what will going to happen? Set text label underscore meal is veg. Okay. Else, no. Again we need to again one more control, which is if here, if get checked CB2, then set text LBL underscore meal non-veg. Okay, non-veg. Now if user will select both option at a time, then what will going to happen? So we don't need to put into this block. Okay. If come on UI control. Now we need to use AND condition. For AND condition, come on math function and put this AND condition here. Okay. So now come in UI control and get checked here and again get checked here. If both conditions satisfied, if get checked CB1 and CB2, both conditions satisfied, then set text in label underscore meal, label underscore meal veg and non-veg, because then both option will come here, veg and non-veg. Okay, so our this part coding is done. Now coming text area coding. For text area coding, set text text area. We haven't changed the name of text area. but we give the text area to set text in text area to what get text area 1. What we're going to save in text area 2, which we enter in text area 1, or you can take simple label here, both will work same. So this is our text area coding done. Now come on drop down coding. So for drop down we need to use if block again. So come on control and select if block. So if get text ID drop down, where is drop down? If get text drop down 1 equal, so we need to use math function here. So first take it back and put equal function here, because we need to compare this whether user select this. If get text drop down 1 is equal CBSE, then set text where in LBL underscore board should be CBSE. Okay. If user select another option of drop down list, so first use math function here, which is equal, then come in UI control and click on get checked. We have to check the condition. Get checked drop down 1. Okay. Wait, get text, sorry. If where my math function, wait, I need to put math function first here. Now come in UI control and get text of drop down is drop down 1. Here is ICSE, then set text in LBL underscore board is ICSE. So this is our coding part is done for this app. Let me check whether it is working or not. Come on, click on run. Enter the username, enter the student name, enter father's name, enter the gender, I am a dancer. Choose your board. I need to delete this because I didn't do coding for this. Click on enter. So see, this app is working. We need to make the size of this label big because ICSE is not showing properly. Okay, but now we are unable to come on home page and we are unable to re-entry the student information. So we need to do some coding for this page so that we can go on home page and all text input, radio buttons, checkbox will reset. So come on design again. First check that screen to this label big. so that you can see all the information properly. Now come in screen 1. Delete this option here from here because we didn't do coding for this option. So this is our done. Now we need one more button here, reset. I already said reset here. Now come on coding part, how it will work. So click on reset. Okay. So on event, button 2, which is reset button. On event button 2, click. When user will click on button 2, all the information of screen 1 page will reset. So first we'll reset this text input. For that, first I need to set screen 1. When user will click on button 2, set screen 1 will come. Set screen 1. Then set text. Set text. Text input. Text underscore name is empty. Then set text. Text underscore father should be empty. Text underscore father should be blank. Now come on radio button. How radio button will unchecked? How radio button will reset? So for that I need control, if else control. Okay, I'm putting it here. For if else control, if get checked, come on UI control again. If get checked, where is get checked here? If get checked, if user select R1, then set checked R1 is false. Where is set checked here? Set checked R1 is false. If user select R2, that means get checked R2, then only set checked R2 will be false. That means at this time we set both radio buttons false. That means they both will reset. Now come on checkbox. How checkbox will reset? Now come on set checked. Set checked. I need to minimize this and set checked here out of this block. So set checked CB1, which is our checkbox one, will be false. Similarly, set checked R2 should also be false. Where is set checked R? Set checked. Similarly, set checked R2 should be, CB2 should be false. So we set these two false, that means these two will be reset. Now come in this text area. So for this text area, set text of this text area of text area 1. Text area 1 is again blank. Now come in drop down. So set text of this drop down. Set text of this drop down is, where is drop down? Here. Text of this drop down is choose. It will be reset by this coding. Okay. So I hope we did all the controls blank. Let me check. Click on run. Enter informations again. I am up here. Click on enter, then click on reset button. See, we come on home page. So this application is done. You can design this application according to your choice. You can design any other application using radio buttons, using checkbox, using text area, using drop down. Whatever design tool you want, you can design your app. I hope you understand this coding, how this code will work. So please keep try this. We'll see you again in next video. But first I need to tell you, save this app, which is student information. It's student information, and save this. Share this with your friends and family so that they will be happy to see your app. Or if you want to see how your app will look like, open a new tab and copy this link here. Paste it here. Isn't it cool? So your app is here. I'm entering any random information here. See. Now I'm resetting this. All these design tools are reset. Now you can enter new information from here. So if you like my video, please thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel so that you can learn lot of how to make new apps. We'll see you in next video. Till then, bye bye. Keep coding. Stay tuned.